Oh, and I gotta turn the mic on. So, okay, good. Okay. The Adventures of J-Tree in Qingdao, China. I think I said it right. Did I say it right? Qingdao? I hope so. My travel kit, ready to go. I'm waiting for my ride, going to the airport YVR to Qingdao, China. It's always good to have friends, and this is my friend Kat.
Hi.
We met in una clase de español in Spanish class in university here, and she offered to drive me to the airport, so we're almost here at YVR International.
Oh my god, I'm sad, it's real.
Hey, just with my friend here on the plane. She's like the nicest lady I've ever met. She's really cool. We're having a drink. Just had the best meal I've ever had on a plane. Somewhere over the Pacific Ocean. What's up? I have arrived in Qingdao, China. I'm with my new friend. And we're in this really awesome car, and the tech is savvy. He's got like a weird panther on the hood. I love it. We're using a translator app to communicate with each other. And he's taking me to my hostel. He just gave me a pack of these really cool cigarettes from China, so pretty excited about that. So far so good. People here are very helpful and very polite. So I just like met some Australians. I'll introduce you to them.
Hi, I'm Alex. Tim, New Zealand.
Heyo!
Would have been amazing. Yeah, it would have been, but that's alright. Just translating, see if we can understand the menu.
你们能吃辣吗？
I'm super fucking tired. I met these awesome guys from Australia. This gentleman here is Kiwi. To honor and respect that. I'm about to try my first little bite taste of food here. I've never had Chinese food in China before. I mean, the airplane food was damn good, but let's see. Am I fucking robbed, huh? Fucking good, man.
Yeah, so good.
I love you guys.
About this country. This is everything that people tell you about this country is wrong, and this is exactly what shows you what this country is all about.
I'm super jet lagged right now, so I'm gonna make this brief, but I just wanted to show you what $25 US approximately, about $30 Canadian, will get you for a hotel room here in Qingdao. It's actually quite magnificent. This is my hotel for $25 US, and got a, well, it's epic. I got my own bathroom. Got some articles on the wall there. I got my stuff sprawled everywhere, but yeah, I mean, does the trick, eh? it's a bang for your buck. Hey guys, how's it going? I got my friend here holding my camera. I'm in a gift shop here in Qingdao. Unfortunately, I can't buy a lot of things with me when I'm traveling this much. I'm going to 13 countries on this trip, so I have to buy postcards. One of the only things that I can buy when I'm traveling the world. They mean a lot to me. I have no idea why, but these like 3 beautiful Chinese girls just like knocked on my door and gave me some candy, I think, and asked me for some hair gel, I guess. I don't know, like the one girl was staring at me all breakfast, so definitely think I have a little, maybe a future Chinese wife. I made some new friends. Hi.
Hello.
Ni hao. And they gave me some candies, and I gave them some hair gel and some Canadian money. I don't really know what's going on, but I'm just down, I'm into it. I mean, they're really beautiful young ladies, and they're being really nice, so this is great.
I'm in heaven. 22 hours in China on a layover, and what I discovered was a lot, actually. First of all, there seems to be some kind of mentality towards this country in Western society. People here are extremely friendly and kind, and I had a very positive experience here. I would recommend coming here, very, very much so, and I'm going to be back as soon as possible.